Struggling to add a new currency to your Wise main account? Watch this quick guide to get it done in seconds. I know how annoying it can be. You set up your Wise account, you start using it, and then you realize you need to handle a different currency. But the option to just add it feels hidden or confusing. You click around, you get frustrated, and you end up wondering if you missed a step. You haven't. It is actually a very straightforward process once you know exactly where to look. I will show you exactly where to click, from opening your account to confirming the new currency. Let us dive in. So the very first thing you need to do is actually navigate to the Wise homepage. This is the main screen you see when you log into your account. Do not worry about finding specific settings or secret menus. It all starts from here. Just open up your browser, head over to Wise, and sign in like you normally would. Once you are on that main dashboard, that is our starting point. And here is the thing. Make sure you are logged into the account that you actually want to add the currency to. Sounds simple, but it is an easy mistake to make if you have multiple profiles. Now that we are on the homepage, you need to locate your main account. Look around the main area of the page. You should see a section that displays your balances or your primary account. It might say something like your main balance or your primary account. Click on that. That is the section we need to work from. This is your central hub, the place where all your currencies live. And by clicking on it, you are telling Wise, I want to manage this specific account. All right, so once you have clicked on your main account, you will see a list of all the currencies you already have active. But we are looking to add a new one. So look for an option that says something like Add Currency, or you might see a drop-down menu or a button. In my experience, the most direct path is to look for the specific option that lets you choose a currency. You will see a list. Maybe you want to add British pounds or euros or Japanese yen. Go ahead and scroll through that list and pick the one you want. Now, pay attention to this one. Some people get stuck here because they think they have to create a whole new account or a new sub-account. You do not. You are just adding a new balance type to your existing main account. So just select the currency you need from that list. Once you have made your selection, the interface is going to present you with a confirmation. All you need to do is click the button that says OK or Confirm. That is it. Do not overthink it. You will see a summary of the currency you are about to add. Double-check it is the right one, and then just hit that Confirm button. Your account will process the request, and within just a few seconds, that new currency will appear in your main account list. And that is all there is to it. You went from being unable to add a currency to successfully adding any one you need in under a minute. Now you can hold, send, and receive money in that new currency directly from your main Wise account. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.